Hello everyone, welcome back to Bugs Kitchen's channel, and today's video we're going to cook steamed chicken. So let's go guys. We need here whole chicken, leek and ginger. I add 1 teaspoon of salt and then we're going to rub it with salt. We should clean it thoroughly. And after rubbing it with salt, we're going to wash 3 times until your chicken is clean. Wash it properly. And we're going to heat water, 500 ml water, and then we're going to pour it onto our chicken. And then we're going to wash it again with cold water. So, amo na siya na tinlo na natin ng chicken. So, kinanlan ito na sa kasi ito naman ito na kuwan. Tapos islice na siya guys. So, okay, siyang ganit muna siya. So, set aside na rin ay. And then we're going to cut our ginger. So, manong siya ating slice sa ating ginger. And then, so, manong siya na tinlo na natin ng chicken. So, kinanlan ito na sa i-wrap. So, i-fry pa siya. So, fry na siya. May mo to sa juice. Tapos mayari tadi wine. Motay na nga mo nga gamit ko. Jutay lang guys. So, 1 teaspoon na good. So, i-rub ka naman na siya. So, butangan ko siya turmeric. Ang kulay. So, batangan ko siya gamay oil. Not much. I-half ko lang siya, guys. And re-rub ko lang siya.
Now we need some leek again and ginger. We are going to put it inside the stomach of the chicken. Just like this. We're going to cover it and marinate it at least 30 minutes or more than that. So we're going to set it aside first. And for the sauce, we need to slice a spring onion. And then we're going to put it in a small bowl. And in the pan, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to make it a sizzling oil. And after that, when the smoke comes out, we're going to add it onto our spring onion. Just like that.
So, we need to add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then we're going to stir it. So, yan lang siya, guys. Good for 1 na naman to, guys. Good for 1 na sauce. So, eto na siya.
After 30 minutes, we're going to steam our chicken. And now I add some ginger here and spring onion. So we're going to steam our chicken for 20 minutes. Don't overcook your chicken, and after that we're going to soak it with ice water for at least 5 minutes, and then we're going to chop it, and it's all done, guys. I hope you like our recipe for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye.